It was good, yeah. So I've been hearing a lot of complaints and a lot of issues from everybody and a lot of bugs. So I got a couple fixes for some of the issues, not all of them, but I have a couple fixes. The one where it shows the only way out, I have a fix for that. The what I did was I just free roamed that like did a bunch of side quests and unlocked a bunch of like save zones and stuff. And my friend invited me because I also have another glitch where I can't get online. Those are two glitches. If you have both of them, all you have to do is join the invite after you're finished with the quest, and it will finish the mission. I know it sucks, but that's the only way it works for that way. Like if you have those two glitches cut together. The other method I've heard from my friend is that you just close app every time you complete a mission. Like every if you can't do something, you just close app for it. That's what I heard. That it's so bad. Like this game is so buggy that we have to do stuff like this. But you know what I'm saying? We just gotta do what we could do, to be honest. And I heard another method was I haven't tried this one yet, but somebody under my recent video that I just posted with all the bugs just said that, you gotta go to the bazaar and it should say multiplayer enabled. I'm still not pretty like sure what the bazaar is. Let's see, activities, bazaar. I don't know if it's like a place. Let's see. Bazaar. Bazaar. You said go to the bazaar. I'll figure out what the bazaar is. Maybe I'm just a little slow, but I'll figure out what it is and I'll keep you guys posted. But I just wanted to make this quick video to show you how to do some of the glitches I found out, like to do some of the fixes. But I'll keep you posted about this other glitch whenever it's done. So stay tuned, yeah. Subscribe and so you can have post notifications, and whenever I release this next video, I'll you guys will be there and be able to watch it. So stay tuned, yeah.